On July 20th, 2023, officers from the Kenosha Police Department and the Pleasant Prairie Police Department responded to a reported hit-and-run injury crash in Kenosha, Wisconsin. Witnesses said they saw 2 black males, 1 black female, and a baby run from the scene. The female was described as wearing a red shirt with her hair in a bun. While searching for suspects, Officer Ryan Quilling checked a nearby Applebee's restaurant. Inside, he observed Jamal English Jr., Shaw Boyd, and their 1-year-old son sitting at a table. Noticing empty drink glasses in front of them, he concluded they had been there long enough that they could not have just fled the crash. He then left the restaurant and continued searching. Shortly after he left, an employee called dispatch reporting the couple seemed nervous during his presence and requested their food to go after he departed. Officers Michael Vences and Luke Courtier returned to the restaurant to investigate further. What followed was captured on body camera footage.
Hey. You guys just in an accident? No?
We've been here the whole time. What's going on?
How long you been here?
We've been here for an hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah? Okay. How long have they been here? Who's the table that just walked in you guys just called about? Okay.
What are you guys driving?
A quarter 7 to 7.
We want to clear you from this, so you can just...
For Genesis Cruise,
I'm just asking what you drove in.
license, Wisconsin, a valid Illinois non-speaker.
You just came up here acting we doing that. We didn't even know what's going on.
So you don't know which vehicle you came in today?
They were already here when I was here.
You guys got a car in the parking lot?
That's what they're arguing about right now. I know. Which car is yours in the lot?
Officer Quilling repeatedly told officers Vences and Courtier that the family had already been inside when he first checked the restaurant. The empty drink glasses indicated they had been seated, served, and had finished their beverages before he even arrived. Based on that observation, he did not believe they were connected to the hit and run. Despite this exculpatory information coming directly from another officer, the responding officers continued treating the couple as suspects.
Yeah, there was an accident out there, and somebody said that they saw you guys run in with the baby. That's what we're seeing.
They described a female with a top.
So that's why if you guys can tell us what car you came in, we can be done.
That's over with.
They said somebody had red on, carrying a baby. So
Yeah, and there's somebody else who's in here with red on too.
But they're not here right now.
Okay, then, so go find them.
So then where's your car that you came in?
That's what you can do too. You can check.
Where's the car that you came in?
Somebody. Accident, y'all.
You're not free to go right now. You are detained right now until we can figure it out.
Because I'm going to take my thoughts to the bathroom.
Mr. English attempted to take his child to the restroom to change his diaper, but officers stopped him and said he was being detained. Police cannot detain someone without reasonable suspicion they were involved in a crime. Here, suspicion came from similarities between the witness description and the family. A black male, a female with bun hairstyle, and a baby. However, there was only one male instead of two, and Ms. Boyd wore a white shirt rather than red. Mr. English wore red shorts, creating only partial overlap. Courts have ruled race and gender alone are not enough for a stop, though proximity and timing can contribute to reasonable suspicion. Initially, a court might find the stop barely justified, but everything changed once Officer Quilling told them he had already seen the couple seated inside for a significant time. At that point, the purpose of detention should have ended because evidence showed they could not have just fled the crash. Continuing to hold them arguably exceeded constitutional limits.
all right, relax. Relax.
You don't touch me.
Relax.
You got a baby with you. Relax.
Don't touch me.
Relax, and then you'll be done.
Stop. Back up.
Excuse me.
What car are you coming in?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Stop touching me.
You touch me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me. We will be done.
Like, we don't gotta answer no question. I already told y'all we've been here.
You're gonna stay with my.
No, I'm not gonna stay with nobody.
Okay, then put your hands behind your back.
I'm not gonna.
You aren't gonna be detained.
Stop. Get the. Oh, you just let me get. Stop it. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I'm not doing that. Stop it. Stop it.
Baby down now. Put your hands behind your back. Put
of him. Squeezing him. Stop. Squeezing me. Stop.
Are you kidding me? Are y'all kidding me?
Get the off it. Let him go.
I didn't even do it. Are y'all kidding me? What the stop resisting?
On the ground now.
Stop resisting.
Stop crying. Stop.
Get Ocean Police.
I got it.
What is going on?
Here. Let go.
Okay. Watch out. What is going on? What is going on? I'm confused. What is going on?
Officers forced Mr. English to ground and ordered him to put his hands behind his back. Officer Vences struck him multiple times to gain compliance. Meanwhile, officers ordered Ms. Boyd to put her hands behind her back. When she resisted after witnessing the struggle involving her child, Officer Courtier used pepper spray. Use of force is judged under objective reasonableness, considering the severity of the suspected crime, immediate threat, and resistance. The officers believe they matched fleeing suspects and both resisted physically. Courts sometimes allow strikes and pepper spray during active resistance. However, a court would need to decide whether the force was proportionate, especially given strong evidence they were not involved.
I'm confused. What is going on? I'm trying to report.
Yeah, but you're obstructing my investigation. Get out of here. Go over there now.
My workplace, bro. This
Back up. Back up. That's fine. You can record. You need to let us do our job.
Hey, bro. I'm not doing nothing. I'll just fucking.
Back up.
I'm right here, bro.
Stop moving towards us. Sit over on your butt. On your butt, man.
Oh my God, what is going on?
Sit up. Are you okay?
No, because I'm confused. I'm waiting on my food, my child. What is going on? Y'all putting my hands.
I don't know. I wasn't out here.
No,
Stop
where's my
yelling.
child?
Are we good now?
This is so up. I'm sitting here waiting on my food.
Stop
The
yelling.
one in custody.
Let's get her out.
All right. Ready? We're going to stand up. Ready?
Just call him. Let's call rescue.
7:35. We'll take rescue out here.
We got someone to treat.
We're going to stand up. Ready?
Call my
1, 2, 3.
mom.
No, we're not calling your mom.
You're an adult.
More my child. That is so right here.
Stop moving forward.
I'm lying right here.
Listen, you can record all you want. You step forward one more time, you're going to jail. Do you understand me?
Bro, I'm right here. You see this table? I was standing exactly
you keep
where I was
walking forward.
seconds ago. Please stop talking to me. I'm trying to see. That's it.
Hold on. Stay there.
Where's my baby? Where's my child? This is so wrong. I can't believe it. Ray, it's a bunch of kids. I'm grown as hell.
Yo, back up, else you're gonna get arrested.
I'm done.
Back up.
I did. You just told me I was okay.
Keep moving.
Sir, you just told me I was okay.
Keep moving.
Hey, tell me when is in the far enough.
Keep going.
Far enough.
Right there.
I
That's
can't
good.
see.
You're gonna stop yelling right now.
You
have to stop.
That stands for me. If you move against me, I'm putting you into the car.
Did you guys hear what happened? No. There was a rollover accident, Highway 50. Yeah. Description of 3 adults with a child were running from the scene, likely in distress.
Is that the accident? Was a third person?
I don't know about a third person. So,
That's terrible.
did 3 people come in?
Arresting someone. I never knew there was anyone in the bathroom, so I'm like,
No, I'm not going to stop.
Stay back there. Get it for you, but stay back.
No! I'm not
I'll get it, Kev.
No!
You got a good grip on her?
Yeah, I got it.
If she acts foolish, you spear her into the car. Just make sure you get clean across that center line. Stop moving.
Stop yelling and give me your mom's number.
Now listen, right now, y'all being detained because of this car accident. I don't know what's going on, okay? Don't turn it into nothing. So if you're gonna lie about your name, why do that right now? You feel me? That's where we're at right now.
Get in the car.
Wrong, bro. It's so wrong. I swear to God, bro.
Get the door closed.
All right, you good?
I'm going to go back in there and help.
Yeah.
3 people in close contact with me.
Hey, I'm calling somebody for this girl that's at Applebee's. She just went to jail. Like, we have her baby. What's your name? Shania.
Yeah. What do you need? I think we're fine here. He's catching his breath.
All right, I'm gonna go check with him in the bathroom then.
Good?
Good. Just a little OC exposure.
Thank you. Whoever was spraying over there.
What?
There's all those kids in there.
Can you crack the window?
Yeah.
Like my face burning. Where's my towel?
In there.
No, who has my towel?
The staff members in there.
They don't like what the.
He's in custody too.
What?
For
Afterward, officers arrested Ms. Boyd and told her Mr. English was also under arrest for resisting. Under Wisconsin law, resisting requires officers to be acting with lawful authority. If the detention itself was unlawful, the resisting charge cannot stand. The couple was charged of resisting and disorderly conduct, and Ms. Boyd also faced marijuana possession. The incident gained national attention. Rapper Jay-Z, through Team ROC, hired attorney Alex Spiro to assist them. An internal review later found policy violations. Officer Vences received a 4-day suspension for failing to reassess his force and for report errors. Officer Courtier received a 10-day suspension for failing to properly decontaminate after pepper spray and other policy failures, though the spray itself was deemed justified. Both officers were ordered additional training. On December 20th, 2023, prosecutors dismissed all charges. On July 19th, 2024, Ms. Boyd filed a federal civil rights lawsuit alleging unlawful detention and excessive force. The case remains ongoing. The major failure was investigative. Officers ignored clear evidence from their own colleague and did not check surveillance or vehicle records. Their refusal to investigate led to escalation and unnecessary force. Although the couple made risky decisions by physically resisting, they were innocent and unexpectedly placed into a tense encounter. The safest choice would have been compliance, followed by legal challenge later in court. Ultimately, the escalation began with investigative failures by police, and the situation demonstrates how quickly uncertainty can become a constitutional violation.